What if the written word could speak? As intriguing as that question might sound, it's a reality we've been living in for quite some time now, thanks to the evolution of text-to-speech technology, or TTS. Imagine a time when communication was limited to written and spoken forms. Then came the groundbreaking invention of text-to-speech technology. It started as a simple concept, converting written text into spoken words. But as technology advanced, so did TTS. The major leap in its evolution came with the integration of artificial intelligence. With AI, text-to-speech technology took a quantum leap, transforming the way we interact with digital content. Advanced algorithms and neural networks started analyzing linguistic patterns, intonations, and phonetics to generate speech that sounds incredibly human. One of the key strengths of AI-powered TTS is its ability to learn and adapt. It gleans from vast datasets and refines its output to reflect the subtle nuances in language and speech. By capturing variations in tone, emotion, and emphasis, it allows for more engaging and lifelike interactions. As AI continues to advance, the line between TTS technology and human speech is becoming increasingly blurred. But the advancements didn't stop there. AI-driven TTS introduced customization options, allowing individuals to tailor the speech output to their specific preferences or requirements. By adjusting parameters such as pitch, speed, and accent, users can personalize their listening experience. AI algorithms can also analyze contextual cues within the text, delivering more natural cadences and pauses. The implications of AI-powered TTS go beyond practical applications. It opens up new possibilities for creative expression, enabling artists and content creators to explore innovative ways of conveying narratives and ideas. It has the potential to break down language barriers, fostering greater global connectivity. It's not all rosy, though. As TTS systems become increasingly sophisticated, there's a growing concern about potential misuse, such as deceptive deepfake audio manipulation. Questions also arise about ownership and control over voice data, which underlines the importance of clear guidelines and regulations to ensure responsible use and protect user rights. To sum up, AI-driven text-to-speech technology is a game-changing innovation with far-reaching implications for communication, accessibility, and creative expression. It's a testament to our technological prowess, bringing the written word to life in a way that fosters inclusion and opens up new forms of interaction. But as we embrace its potential, we must also navigate the ethical considerations it presents, ensuring that AI-driven TTS serves the interests of individuals and society as a whole. The future of TTS is here, and it's speaking volumes.